headlines. World Wetlands Day observed across Manipur. Out on morning walk, Hindu Mahasabha's UP president shot dead. And Assam tests first suspected coronavirus case. Hello, you're watching the news today at 1. I'm Mandira, and now the news in detail. World Wetlands Day 2020 is being observed across Manipur today. Old Loktak Lake Area Fishermen's Union Manipur, in association with Loktak Fishermen's Multipurpose Cooperative Society Limited, is observing the day under the banner Save Loktak Lake for Our Future Generation at Langosabi Champu, Khangpok Floating Village, Loktak in Bishnupur district. The president of the Akhil Bharatiya Hindu Mahasabha's Uttar Pradesh unit was shot dead by two motorcycle-borne men in the heart of Lucknow's Hazratganj area this morning, officials said, according to a media report. Ranjit Bachchan, a resident of Gorakhpur district, was on a morning walk along with another person when the men fired at them near the Central Drug Research Institute building in Hazratganj. Bachchan died on the spot and the other person was critically injured. He is undergoing treatment at the Trauma Center of King George Medical University. A sub-inspector of police who is a member of the investigation team said the assailants tried to snatch Ranjit Bachchan's gold chain and cell phone during the attack. Assam reported its first case of novel coronavirus when a man from Morigaon showed the symptoms of the virus while he was examined by the medical team at the screening counter in LGBI airport. The man was returning from Kerala, and after he showed symptoms of the virus, the medical team immediately sent him to this GMCH. However, there has been no official declaration in this regard. The man is being kept in an isolation ward as per a report. A person died following a major car accident that occurred near YK College, Wangjing in Thoubal district early this morning. The deceased has been identified as Saugrakpam Damodar of Singjamai Saugrakpam Lekai, according to a smart card found inside the Datsun car in which he was travelling. Thoubal police recovered the body and sent to Thoubal district hospital, a report said. Suresh Huidrom of Manipur has been awarded the prestigious National Architecture and Interior Design Excellence Awards 2020 during a function at the Taj West End in Bengaluru. The award was handed over to him by Australia-based architect Felice Burrows, Dean and Professor of BGS School of Architecture and Urban Planning, Bengaluru, Dr. Ajay Chandran. Suresh is the eldest son of Huidrom Iboyaima and Huidrom Ongbi Lebak Lema of Kurai Salangthong, Imphal East. The award has been conferred on Suresh in recognition of his creative talent and dedication in the field.
Today, I have a dedicated team of architects and interior designers with me, and we design and build for a better society. And I would like to thank to all my clients who believing in me and my team, and I thank you to Big Enough for this wonderful award. It's really big for us. And then lastly, this award I would like to dedicate to all my team and to all the people of Manipur.
The second Air India special flight with 323 Indian citizens on board has landed at Delhi airport at a short while back. According to media reports, 320 more Indian nationals and 7 Maldivians were on the flight. None from the first batch of 324 Indians flown back from Wuhan have tested positive for the virus, reports added. Luirafane Festival of Tangkhul community began yesterday at New Tusom under Ukhrul district. The opening function of the 4-day-long was attended by Principal Chief Conservator of Forest and Head of Forest Force, Karel Hovi Angami, Additional PCCF Working Plan Research and Training, Dr. Lukho Puni, Chief Conservator of Forest Soraifi Vasum and other distinguished personalities. The colourful festival will continue till 4th of February. It marks the close relationship between human and natural environment for prosperity, protection and seeking God's blessings for abundant harvest for the new year. Four corpses surrendered before the court of Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal West yesterday in connection with an alleged fake encounter case in which Rengbang Ratan Kumar was killed on September 1, 2010 at Ningobam and Mongsangai Inter-Village Road near Vale Academy under Singjamai Police Station. Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal West Court had on January 21st last passed an order directing the accused corpse to appear before the court on 11th of this month for necessary court proceedings. Thangmaiband Youth Centre celebrated its 28th Foundation Day today at Thangmaiband Hijam Dewan Lekai. The celebration was attended by Thangmaiband MLA KH Joy Kishan Singh, President of Thangmaiband Youth Club Y Sadananda Singh, Head of Cardiothoracic and Vascular Surgery RIMS Imphal Dr. Thokchom Chito Singh, Retired CDO Government of Manipur Longjami Bomcha Meitei, and President of Film Forum Manipur S. Mongol Jao. Marking the anniversary of Ningthaukhong Bazaar, the Laumi Sinmi Apunbalop Bishnupur district today conducted a cleanliness drive in and around Ningthaukhong Bazaar in Bishnupur district. More than 50 volunteers of Laumi Sinmi Apunbalop Bishnupur took part in the cleanliness drive. President of Laumi Sinmi Apunbalop Bishnupur district, T.H. Norendro, said that health cards were also distributed to the families who made contributions in establishment of Ningthaukhong Bazaar. He thanked the volunteers and others who came out to join the cleanliness drive. Joint Teachers Forum has launched a cease work strike from yesterday to push for its demands. The forum said it will go on strike until demands are met by the government. The demands include adopting grade pay system for the teachers in place of academic grade pay system and issuance of a rectified order of pay anomaly for the teachers under Education Department and its corresponding ROP 2019, according to a press release from the forum. The annual social audit Gram Sabha of Pangantabi Gram Panchayat under Langmaidong CD block was conducted yesterday at Pangantabi Makhalekai Community Hall. During the session, representatives of Manipur Social Audit Agency along with locals discussed and analyzed on how far people have benefited under MGN, REGA and PMAYG schemes. The Delhi High Court will hear the central government's petition challenging a trial court's order of staying the execution of the 4 convicts in the 2012 Nirbhaya gang rape and murder case today. The High Court also issued notice to DG Prisons and Tihar Jail authorities seeking their stand on the central government's plea challenging the stay on execution. Hours after the mercy petition of Vinay Sharma, one of the 4 convicts, was rejected by President Ramnath Kovind, Akshay Singh, another convict in the case, filed a similar appeal on Friday. A Delhi court then ruled that none of the convicts will be hanged on Saturday. Meanwhile, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on Friday said it is sad that the convicts are escaping death sentence by using legal loopholes, stressing that there is an urgent need to amend the laws to ensure hanging in cases of rape within 6 months. India's second case of coronavirus has been reported in Kerala, Union Health Ministry said this morning. 3 days after the southern state reported country's first case of the infectious disease that has killed over 300 people in China. The coronavirus outbreak, which originated in China and spread to more than 20 countries across the world in the last few weeks, has been declared a global health emergency by the World Health Organization. As per media reports, the patient is said to have returned from China on January 24. On Thursday, Kerala reported India's first case of coronavirus, a medical student studying in China's Wuhan city, the epicenter of the outbreak. She was quarantined at a hospital in Thrissur after she self-reported throat infection, government said. The Philippines has reported the first death outside China from the coronavirus that has killed over 300 and spread to other countries, the World Health Organization said today. As per media reports, the fatality is a 44-year-old Chinese man from the city of Wuhan, where the virus was first detected and appears to have been infected before arriving in the Philippines. The man who died in a Manila hospital arrived in the Philippines with a 38-year-old Chinese woman who had also tested positive for the virus. Health Secretary Francisco Duque said she was the Philippines' first case of the virus and is recovering in hospital. The Palestinian Authority has cut all ties with the United States and Israel, including those relating to security, after rejecting a Middle East peace plan presented by US President Donald Trump, said Palestinian President Mahmoud Abbas. According to sources, Abbas was in Cairo to address the Arab League, which backed the Palestinians in their opposition to Trump's plan. The blueprint endorsed by Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu calls for creation of a demilitarized Palestinian state that excludes Jewish settlements built in occupied territory and is under near total Israeli security control, reports informed. Now we have the sports news. The Indian women's team will look for an improved show in the fielding department to complement its fine bowling when it takes on Australia in the second game of the Tri-Series today. India Women vs Australia Women highlights Women's T20 Tri-Series full cricket score all round. Elise Perry shows sees Aussies win by 4 wickets. Harmanpreet Kaur smashed an unbeaten 42 to take India home against England in the first match of the Women's Triangular T20 series. India are on the top of points table after the Harmanpreet Kaur-led side beat England by 5 wickets in the tournament opener on Friday. India put up a good bowling performance led by their spinners to restrict England to 147, which was followed by a match-winning unbeaten 42-run knock by skipper Harmanpreet, as per reports. Now we have the local newspaper headlines.
Imphal Free Press. Government school teachers begin 6-week strike to boycott board council exams. Budget 2020-21 is aimed to boost income. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman presents longest budget ever in Lok Sabha. Fact encounter case. 4 cops surrender before court. HRL and lawyer files PIL for questioning impunch order of IMC. CRAM urges state to recognize importance of wetlands. The Morning Bell. Government college teachers to boycott classes from February 3. 68 non-local laborer held in Jirbam without ILP, provided with temporary permit. Modi government chants emotional disconnect with any president. Union Budget 2020. Government to ensure improved flow of funds to Northeast. Finance Minister. Manipur Mail. Finance Minister presents budget. Facilitation and support to youth.
Now, before we wrap up, the top stories once again. World Wetlands Day observed across Manipur. Out on morning walk, Hindu Mahasabha's UP President shot dead. And Assam has first suspected coronavirus case. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur for more updates.